Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2013 Audi Q7. You will have the memory setting for the multi-way power seat, which will include your lumbar support. Have the WeatherTech floor mats. You'll have a heated steering wheel, cruise control stalk back here. You'll be able to cycle through media sources and control the volume. Use hands-free voice commands. Built-in navigation, parking sensors. We have dual climate control, heated seats. The vehicle does have a panoramic sunroof. You'll have the built-in garage door opener. Place to store your sunglasses. You'll have the built-in sunshades. Of course, this vehicle is equipped with the Bose stereo sound system. Your rear climate control and heated seats. Gain access into the third row. The vehicle does feature a backup camera as well as a power liftgate. Be able to let the third row seat down. The vehicle also happens to have the all-weather cargo tray, which will extend over the third row. Additional storage and tire inflation kit. Push button close. This is the 2013 Audi Q7 here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.